Today you will be learning how to make deviled eggs. You can find the necessary materials in the description box below. But for ingredients, you'll need 1 dozen large eggs, mayo, mustard, apple cider vinegar, and salt. To begin, fill a large pot with water and place it on the stove. Once it boils, you can add your eggs, but be careful because the water is really hot. Set your stove to simmer or the lowest setting. Place a lid, leaving a gap for steam, and set a timer for 18 minutes. Once your timer is complete, remove the pot and carefully drain the boiling water. Next, you'll want to rinse with cold water and add ice. Let the egg sit for 10 minutes. Once your eggs have sit for 10 minutes in the cold water, you can begin to peel them. I find the best way to peel eggs is to crack all around the center and then slowly peel away the shell. Repeat this process for each of the 12 eggs. Next, you'll want to take a knife and cut each egg in half, placing the yolks in a separate bowl. While you make the filling, put your egg whites in the fridge to let them cool. You can begin to mix and mash your egg yolks. Try to get the pieces as fine as possible. Add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Add half a cup of mayonnaise. Add 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm using 2 different kinds for flavor. And add a pinch of salt. Mix all of these ingredients together until you have something that resembles a creamy, smooth consistency. Scoop as much filling as you can into a ziplock bag. Remove your egg halves from the fridge. And cut one corner of the Ziploc bag. Using this, you can squeeze filling into each egg half. The first time, try to make it as equal as possible, and then you can add more later. After doing this, you have now made deviled eggs.